Was born on Monday at 7 o'clock in 2020. Welcome to Winner English. Let's see today preposition of time. These are on, at, and in. As you can see from the previous example, I was born on Monday at 7 o'clock in 2020. What is the difference among at, on, and in when we use these prepositions at the preposition of time? By the way, these prepositions can be used in both ways, at the preposition of time and the preposition of place. Today, the lesson is how we can use them at the preposition of time. Welcome to Winner English. ዛሬ የምንማረው preposition of time የምንላቸው በጣም ብዙዎቻችን ኮንፊውዝ የምንሆንባቸው at, on, in የሚሉ preposition እናያለን ማለት ነው። Let's start from the beginning. At, we use at when we express a time which is, within 24 hours or within a day, which is exact time. For example, at 7 o'clock, the train usually arrives at 7 o'clock, or an hour and a minute at 7:30, at 9:45, at 9:55, at midnight. I usually woke up at midnight. At noon. ስለዚህ አትን የምንጠቀመው በ24 ሰዓት ውስጥ በሚገኙ ሰዓት ስፔሲፊክ የሆነ ወይም ውስን ሰዓት ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ሰዓቱን ከደቂቃ የያዘ ወይም ደግሞ ኤግዛክት የሆነ ሰዓት 7 ሰዓት ላይ 7:30 10 ጉዳይ ለ8 ስንል ማለት ነው። በ24 ሰዓት ውስጥ ባሉ ፒኤም እና ኤኤም የምንላቸው 6 ፒኤም 7 ፒኤም ወይም ደግሞ ደቂቃና ሰዓት አንድ ላይ ያዙ። ላይክ መጀመሪያ እንዳልኳችሁ 7:30 8 ሰዓት ኤግዛክት ሊሆን ይችላል። ሩብ ጉዳይ ለ9 እንደዚህ ስንል አት እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። አት ኑን፣ አት ሚድናይት የሚሉት ደግሞ ስፔሻል ናቸው። when we say at midnight, half of the night, at noon, half of the day, እኩለ ቀንና እኩለ ሌሊት፣ ሚድናይት እና ሚድዴይ እኩለ ቀን፣ ሚድዴይ እኩለ ሌሊት፣ ሚድናይት እንላለን ማለት ነው። Let's continue to the next one. On. We use on with days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, up to Sunday, yeah? Yeah. For example, will you come on Sunday? Will you come on Sunday? I have a meeting on Sunday. I have a meeting on Sunday. Sunday is the day of the week. And we use on with dates. When we say dates, the number of days with the months. For example, I was born on June 7, or 7th of June. Or the number of days and the month plus the year. For example, she died on June 7, 2025 European calendar. Now here there a number of days, there a month, there a year. This is called date. The third use of on is with holidays. Holidays. For example, on my birthday, he gave me lots of gifts on my birthday. He usually gives me lots of gifts on my birthday. I was born on Christmas. የገና ዕለት ነው የተወለድኩት ወይም ደግሞ የኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ የልደት በዓል ቀን ነው የተወለድኩት ስትሉ ማለት ነው። Do you understand? Yeah. The third preposition of time is in. We use in for long periods of time, including weeks, months, and years alone. Don't be confused with dates when I say months and years. Month plus the number of days is a date, but the month alone is it's not a date. The year alone is not a date. So we use in when we talk about some specific month, year, and week. Centuries, 100 years, decades, 10 years, millennium, 1,000 years. For example, the aliens began in the 21st century. It was built in the 20th century. Now we are talking about the century and we said in ሴንቸሪ ስንል መቶ ዓመታት ማለት ነው። ኢን አለ ማለት ነው። በ20ኛው ክፍለ ዘመን ስትሉ ማለት ነው። In Ethiopia or in Addis Ababa, usually there a rainfall in summer or in July. Now you are talking about the month and the season. So you say the season in summer or in July, August. She died in 2020. 2020 is a year, a time of her death. So you say in 2020. Do you understand? Very good. Go to the comment section and say like this. እህቴ ከአሜሪካ ክረምት ላይ ትመጣለች። የቀድሞው ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር የሞቱት ግንቦት ውስጥ ነው ብላችሁ ትነግሩኛለች። Thanks for watching. This is Winner English, where you can win English. You can learn English with the speed of light. Bye-bye.